Jason here with TH Fireplaces. Today we're taking a look at the Tempest Lantern. Here we have the unit itself. Now this is going to be an electronic ignition. This one's controlled with a switch on the wall. You can see we have our control module in the bottom here. It also comes in a manual ignition where you can just open the bottom and start it yourself, just like a barbecue. Over here we have the glass. You can see how neatly and tightly packed that is. Minimal issues with breakage or scratching on that glass and shipping. And then the flame spreader. Now this is going to give you that real desired tornado flame look that you see with the Tempest torches and the Tempest lanterns. And you have your lantern cap. And over here you also have your mount base. So you're going to want to choose a base, whether it's a post, wall mount, or in-ground post mount. You're going to want to get a base for whatever your application is going to be. And then over here we have the sold separately 24-volt transformer. This transformer is straight from Fire Garden. We recommend it with all electronic ignition applications. It gives you the ability to control either one or up to 6 different torches at one time. We definitely recommend that you get this from Fire Garden. If you want to see the lanterns burning in person, please come down to our showroom. You can see them burning here, or make an appointment with myself to walk you through personally the operation of the lantern.